Let us discuss the need for enhancing self esteem. The good news is that you have a fair amount of control when it comes to increasing your level of self esteem. When we focus on the need, the juvenile era comes first. In the juvenile era, the children's experience with friends, teachers, parents, everything changes. A sort of a rival mindset comes. Here, parents and teachers have to take much care to put positive affirmations. Use positive affirmation, very important in this stage. The high or low self esteem can be identified in some behaviors. You can observe and understand, viewing the world as a hostile place, making poor choices in activities or friends, always viewing others as a victim, avoiding risk taking, feeling the phobia, anxiousness in new situation, being reluctant to speak what is in mind, not answering anything, always comparing self with others. These are some sort of negative behavior patterns. This have to be converted, and that positive aspect will become the solid foundation of self esteem. The common bad behaviors are like being quick to anger or always blame the other person, avoiding responsibility, desiring to be a perfectionist, making excuses for shortcomings, having a tendency to like eat, overeating or poor eating or use of alcohols, drugs, the list goes on. Social subordination is a challenge when a child enters juvenile era, and the same is the case when he entered a matured stage also. Social influence becomes important, and individuals' reputations with others becomes an important source of self esteem. The most important thing is to take care of yourself. Relaxing and taking care of yourself will help make you a better able to handle the stressful situation when they come. Identify your competencies and develop them. Learn to accept compliments. Self esteem is an extremely important factor in life. It influences our life. The higher your self esteem, the greater will be your self confidence. Realize you are in control. You and only you are in charge of your feelings. No matter what happens, you get to decide how you feel and how you react to external situations. You may not be able to change the situation completely, but you can choose how to react to it. Rather than reaction, you can learn to respond to the situations. Eliminate self criticism and introduce self compassion, which will definitely help in your character formation. A person who has really high self esteem by his attitude would gain respect because he or she always have respect for others. They are unselfish, compassionate, and honest. Our continuous actions are converted into our habits, and habits decides our character, and our character decides our destiny. We should be always grateful for what we have in our life. It's likely that the situation you face is not at the end of the world if it is not a positive situation. Understand this and look forward at all of the things for which you can be thankful in your life. Affirm your real worth. I hope you are very clear about the need for enhancing self esteem.